We're now going to take a look at a few methods that are unique to the series group by objects. Let's go ahead and take a look at our data so we can refresh in our minds what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and just use the entire syntax instead of these shortened ones that we assigned before. So let's again group by organization group and select the salaries column. Let's say we want to get the top 5 salaries, or maybe the top 3 salaries in every group. So you call n largest like this, and then just place in 3, and that'll give you the top 3 salaries in every group. It does return over here. This is really kind of weird what it returns. It returns a series, number one. This is definitely not a data frame. Data frames always, look like this. And so here are the actual salaries. These are the 3 largest salaries for the community health group. Here's the 3 largest salaries for culture and recreation, and so forth. This is the index of where it's located. And so this is a multi-level index, and I want to save this to S over here. And you can actually, what you can do in a series, and I'll just do it down here, you can drop a level from the index. So there is a drop level method. So this is something new. This is a series method, not a group by method. And what you can do is you give it the name of the level to drop. This one doesn't have a name, so you can give it the integer location. So that starts from 0 over here on the left. So this is level 0. This is level 1. We can get rid of that, and now this will return something a little bit nicer display. So drop level is a nice method to use for cleaning up your series or your data frames. If they have an extra level in the index that you don't want, you can just simply drop it like this. All right, let's look at unique also. This will give us all the unique salaries. So this will be a lot of them, and it interestingly returns as a list over here, or a NumPy array. So it's a little bit, this is actually kind of a strange structure of data. You typically don't deal with lists or NumPy arrays as values in your series or your data frames, but that's what it does return here. So it still works. Not necessarily the best structure for analyzing further, but something that you can use as well. All right, so that is some of the group by methods that are unique to series objects.